to another video. So I've got myself a new e-file. This is from Amazon. I'll leave the link excuse me, I'll leave the link in my description box where I got it from. It shows a pink one on the box, but mine's actually black. Well, it says black, mine's more of like a grey. Excuse me, yeah, mine's more like a grey with a bit of pink on the handle, but I do prefer this colour. But yeah, they didn't have the option for this colour. But anyway, it says on the box 0 to 35,000 RPM, which is the same power as, I'll show you the one I've been using. I've been using my Belle portable, and this is 35,000 RPM as well, so we are going to put it to the test. Look, I smudged, you can't see on camera, but I cleaned it with alcohol or something because it had black on it, and I smudged the ink from the, anyway, yeah. And this is quite small. I really like this, but yeah, apparently this has got the same power, so we will see. What else does it say? Yeah, it's got forward direction, reverse direction, low vibration, low noise, high speed, low heat. So let's open it and see what we get. This is as far up as my camera goes. There's really not that much. Right, so first I can see it comes with a UK plug, and it's quite a long wire, that, by the looks of it as well, which I like. I hate short wires. So yeah, there's that UK plug, which is good. Then I can see it comes with some sanding bands. 20, looks like there's 20 in there, and they look like they might be either a fine or a medium. I'm not sure. I don't have a lot of sanding bands, so they're definitely not coarse. They're a fine or a medium then. So there's those, and I don't know what these are. I think they're to go around your drill bits, aren't they? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure, but they're like little soft squishy rubber things. But yeah, I'm not too sure what they are. I've never had them before. This is my third e-file, and I've never had them before with an e-file. Right, and it also comes with your standard bits, but it also comes with a ceramic bit, which I'm really happy about. And I think the blue is a medium, isn't it? And it's got more sanding bands in here. These ones are definitely coarse, the ones that are in here. So it's got your round ball one, like a, I don't even know what these are called, but yeah. It comes with them, and a nice ceramic bit, and obviously your bit that you put your sanding bands on. So it comes with them. Right, let's get the bottom part out. So this is the bottom part. Can you see? Mine's more like a gunmetal grey kind of colour. It actually looks black on camera, but it's not. It's grey. It's like a gunmetal grey. But yeah, the handpiece goes in there, and that's your speed thing there. Oh, and there's your button for reverse and forward. Right, let's get the handpiece out. I think that's the company there, DELANIE. And there's your manual. But I think we all know how to use e-files. Right, let's have a look at the handpiece. Yeah, I have already had a look at it, but I've not switched it on yet. It is so tiny. Let me show you the handpiece. There's not much difference, but it's definitely smaller and cuter. Really nice. See, that's showing up more of the grey. These are exactly the same colour, but for some reason this looks more black. Right, that's sitting next to my Belle one. Let's put them that way in camera so you can see. So it is slightly thinner and slightly shorter. It's so cute. I love that it's got pink on it. I love that. Right, what we're going to do is I've got two nails here. This is the back to school set that I did that I hated. This one has got 2 coats of gel polish on it and a top coat, and this one has got 2 coats of black gel polish on it, a matte top coat, and then I encapsulated it as well in a builder gel. So this is a really thick nail, this one. So I think I'll use the sanding band maybe on this one to get the gel polish off, see how it does, and we'll see if we can rip through that with the ceramic bit, shall we? I just want to see how noisy it is, and if it stutters we shall see. Right, I'm going to get all this plugged in, and I'll start with the sanding band I think on the gel polish one, and we'll see how it does. Before I do as well, it comes with your safety bit in there, so it just stops this getting damaged in transit. And when you're not using your e-file, I have been advised that you should always put this back in. It's just a plain metal bore, and I think it just stops that getting damaged. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you that as well. Right, I'll get this plugged in, 1 second. Right, so that's plugged into my socket now. So this is the power cord that goes into there where it says input, and then the wire on your handpiece goes into there where it says motor. And this is not one of the handpieces that you can just push and pull the piece in. You turn it to the left to unlock it, and then you turn it to the right to lock it. And look, it just sits in there. How cool is that? It just sits in there. I've not seen one this shape before. Little round one. It's really not going to take up much room on my desk at all. Right, let's see how noisy it is first, shall we? Right, let's turn it on. How do I know if it's in forward or reverse? Right, I'm just going to have to read the instructions. 1 second, because it's got a green light and it's got a red light. So let me just check which is forward and which is reverse. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Right, it's just as I thought. I've read the instructions and it is actually portable. So this is going to charge it, and once it's charged I can take it off. So it doesn't even need to be plugged in, which I didn't know. So yeah, forward is green light, reverse is red light. I didn't know that it was a chargeable one. That's even better. Right, so let's make sure it's in forward. Yes it is. Right, oh, those of you that know me will know I hate e-files, but I'm doing this for you guys, you know. Look, I'm going to shit myself up just for you guys to see this. Right, let's turn this on. Right, that's it, a quarter on. Very quiet, and it's not vibrating at all. It's not moving. Let's turn it halfway, which is there. Not bad at all. Let's see if it moves. No, not at all. Right, let's turn it on full. You ready? That's it on full. I'm not going to put it on the desk because it will probably whiz off. But I don't think we ever have it on full, do we? Right. I'm going to put it on there. Right, let's see how easy it takes off this. Remember, it's 2 coats of gel polish and a top coat, just like you would have on your normal hands. And a base coat, actually, I forgot, I always base coat my tips. So there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 layers on this. It's not trying to stop or anything. Ooh, I'm quite impressed actually. Yeah, that's fine. It's not trying to stop or stutter. And it's on just over a quarter of the power. So yeah, it's really hard for me to hold this tip, as you can see, but See, when I get to this end bit, it's folding down like that, so it's hard for me to do it, but I'm pressing on quite hard. Pressing on quite hard there, and it's not stopping or stuttering. Yes, that was fine. That's working brilliantly. Right, let me get rid of this dust and then we'll put the other bit on and see if we can get through that just as easy. I think I know what the answer's going to be, but we'll give it a go anyway, shall we? Right, I need to get rid of this dust because I don't like it. Right, I've got rid of that dust. So let's change this drill bit for this ceramic bit. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with that. It did really well. Lock. Right, let's go again. I'm going to put it on about quarter again. Can you see there? That's 0 there, and I'm going to go about a quarter of the way. Right, let's get this done. I might have to put this on a higher setting. I'm not sure. A quarter of the way might do it. We shall see. Battery's dead. 1 second. I'm going to have to keep it plugged in because it's not charged. Do you know, I've probably knackered it by not giving it a full charge before using it. Right, let's keep it plugged in. Right, let's try this again. Yeah, I think you're meant to fully charge things, Aggie, before you use them. Let's try again. So that means the battery was more or less dead even when it did that. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's powering through that, no problem. Look at that, not a problem at all. And that's a very thick layer. I'm making a mess, but there we go. That's all I'm going to do. Oh, look, I don't like dust. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. Don't get me wrong, I love, love, love my Belle E-file. I got sent this for review beginning of this year. Beginning of summer, I think I got sent this. I love it, but I don't think I would pay £120 for it, which is what it cost. Not when there's files like this out there that you can charge and keep on your desk as well. And this was £50, £47.99 this was. And it feels really, really good quality, it really does. And for what you get with it, yeah, I couldn't see myself paying £120 for one that is the same 35,000 RPM and just as pretty when you can get these kind of ones for 50 quid. They just haven't got the fancy name on them, have they? But yeah, I absolutely love this. I'm going to keep this on my desk. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I definitely need to get myself a dust collector because, oh, I can't stand it. Can't stand this dust. Makes me feel itchy. But anyway, guys, that's it. Like I said at the beginning, I will leave the link below to where you can get this on Amazon. I think it's gorgeous, I really do. And remember, if you enjoyed the video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. Remember to hit the little bell so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, bye.